Welcome to the channel. My name is Andrew. On this channel, we go through some of the best properties in Medellin, Colombia, and this has got to be on the top of the list. This one is located in Provenza. Stay till the end of the video because I'm going to show you on the map where it's located. As we walk in through the door, we see that it's a very open concept. It's been remodeled completely. You've got the micro cement countertop on this first half bath. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath apartment. This is the dining area. Just beautifully done. I love the floors, the exposed ceilings. This is the view onto the street. You may recognize it. There's a very famous building right in front as well, or very iconic one, I should say. This is the kitchen area with the stove top. I love it being on the island there so that when you have guests over, you can cook together. You've got the sink area here. This sale includes everything, the furniture and the appliances as well. The stackable washer dryer here. This is a little room that could be used as a pantry or storage room. You've got air conditioning in every room as well. We're going to check that out here in a second as we go through the kitchen here. You've got the oven there, and the living area is over here. I love this little, it feels very cozy. It feels like a home, right? It's almost like a little nook here where you could really sit down, read, or watch TV, etc. Here's the next bathroom. This is the full bathroom for the bedrooms that don't have the bathroom. But as you can see, the bathroom is just beautiful. It's tall. It's got a lot of space. I mean, it's just great for either a family or a couple, or even if you just wanted to rent this out as an Airbnb monthly. This is the first bedroom, and you've got a view, a very green view, and there's a creek that runs down there, and now it's all you hear, the babbling from the little brook there. You could see it there, down there, and there is a pool in this unit as well, as you saw down there. I'm gonna go out of this room and into the next one. This one's 150 square meters, which is over 1,500 square feet. It's more like 1,600 square feet. This is the bedroom, the second bedroom with the air conditioning there. As you can see, it's got the same view to the back over here of Provenza, which is great. I love this view. I love Medellin for that. You can't get rid of the greenery no matter where you go. Even though it's a city with 2.5 million people in it, it's a lot of green. Here's the master bedroom, my favorite bedroom. It's got this desk over there on the left hand side where you can get some work done. A lot of space, king size bed. Love it. And just wait until you see this bathroom. But you got to go in through the walk-in closet first as I turn around here to view it here. This is the walk-in closet. You've got the double sink. Just a lot of storage. It's great. I could see myself living in here, but I know that this would do very well as a rental. So it'd be kind of like, I'd be conflicted. Here's the bathroom, a slightly bigger than the others, as you can see. And yeah, this is one of my favorite units, definitely, because not only because of the way it looks, but because of the potential to rent it out and make money on Airbnb, or just have it as a rental. And when you come down here for a month or two out of the year, if you're not here full time, you have an amazing place in an amazing location that's still quiet, but you're walking distance to all of the cafes and restaurants. Here's a better look at this bookshelf here in the living room, and then looking into the apartment all the way to the entrance back there. And you've got a little balcony here. There's a little barbecue there, and the view of the street here. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments. Let's take a look at the location on the map now. Okay, we're here at our website, MedellinLivingRealEstate.com, and we're at the listing page. As we scroll down, asking price is 1,500,000,000 Colombian pesos. That will always stay the same. What will change is the dollar amount depending on the exchange rate. As we scroll down, you can see the map area here, and we're going to zoom in here, and Provenza is right here. So this is basically the barrio of La Florida. There really isn't a barrio. There's just a street called Provenza. But Provenza is in La Florida, and Provenza's right here. So you'd be basically walking down your street, which is a dead-end street. That's why it's so quiet there. And here's that creek that runs along it behind that we saw. And then you'd be walking down here, walking down here. It's about a 5 to 8 minute walk to the restaurants, the bars, the nightlife, etc. So you're far enough where You don't get the noise, but you're close enough where you can walk. So let's take a look at this one on Google Maps for more context. And this is the Google Maps here. If you want to take a look at what the building looks like on the outside, this is it here. Some more shots here. This is the entrance. It's got 24-hour security guard. It's got a pool. The yellow is the touristy area. Parque Lleras, Parque del Poblado's down here, Barrio Manila's down here. You do have a parking lot or a parking spot and plenty of guest parking, etc. to have a car or to have a scooter. So here's the building here. Again, there's that dead end road here. There is a little walkway that connects you to Transversal Inferior, and there's like a shopping mall over here called Mall Plaza Bella, where there's a pharmacy. I think there's a little like grocery store or mini market there as well. Restaurants. You've got one of the great restaurants right here, Runico. But if you walk down here, obviously you've got a lot more because here's Provenza right here. So yeah, this is a great location, not only to live for lifestyle, but also for a rental, if that's what you want to do. That being said, if you want to take a look at this one, or maybe you're looking for something completely different, or maybe you found another property on another website, we can absolutely help you with that as well. All you got to do is click the link in the description below, fill out the form, and somebody on the team will get back to you ASAP. We'll see you guys in the next video.